Ever wondered just how fast an electric bike can go? Well, you're not alone. Electric bikes, or e-bikes, have been gaining popularity at a remarkable pace. These marvels of modern technology offer a new twist on traditional cycling, blending the physical exertion of pedaling with the convenience of motorized assistance. From city commuters to outdoor enthusiasts, people from all walks of life are embracing e-bikes for their versatility, efficiency, and sheer fun. They come in a variety of forms to suit different needs and preferences. You've got your robust electric mountain bikes, your sleek electric road bikes, and your compact electric folding bikes, each offering unique advantages and a range of speed capabilities that might just surprise you. But how do they work? And just how fast can they go? If these questions have piqued your curiosity, then you're in for a treat. Stay tuned as we delve into the exciting world of electric bikes, one type at a time. Imagine conquering steep terrains and rugged trails with ease. That's the power of an electric mountain bike. Electric mountain bikes, or EMTBs as they're often called, are not your ordinary bicycles. They're equipped with an integrated electric motor which can be used for propulsion, giving a whole new meaning to the word effortless. It's like having a constant tailwind pushing you forward, making every ride an exhilarating adventure. What sets electric mountain bikes apart from their traditional counterparts is their off-road prowess. With an EMTB, the rocky paths, steep inclines, and challenging terrains become less intimidating. The electric motor assists your pedaling, allowing you to climb hills with ease and traverse longer distances without breaking a sweat. It's about taking the path less traveled, but with less effort. Now, let's talk speed. While the actual speed of an electric mountain bike can vary based on factors like the rider's weight, terrain, and the level of motor assistance, most EMTBs offer a speed range of 15 to 20 miles per hour. But remember, it's not just about speed, it's about the journey. The EMTB allows you to enjoy the thrill of the ride, the beauty of the wilderness, and the joy of exploration. Electric mountain bikes aren't just for thrill seekers, they're also an excellent choice for those who enjoy outdoor recreational activities. Whether you're a weekend warrior looking to explore the backcountry or a seasoned athlete training for a mountain biking competition, an EMTB can enhance your riding experience. For the competitive sports enthusiasts out there, electric mountain bikes can be a game changer. They can help you train smarter, not harder, by allowing you to focus on your technique and endurance, rather than just brute strength. So, what's the bottom line? With an electric mountain bike, you're not just riding, you're dominating the landscape. You're harnessing the power of technology to take your adventure to the next level. And most importantly, you're making every ride a memorable journey. Whether you're exploring the wilderness or competing in a race, an EMTB is your ticket to an electrifying adventure. With an electric mountain bike, you're not just riding, you're dominating the landscape. Think of your daily commute, but faster, smoother, and almost effortless. That's the magic of an electric road bike. Electric road bikes revolutionize the way we travel on a daily basis. They are designed with sleek aerodynamic frames and equipped with high-power electric motors. These components work together to provide a smooth ride that rivals the speed of traditional vehicles without the noise, pollution, or fuel costs. Now let's talk about the features that make electric road bikes unique. First, there's the motor. Unlike regular bikes, electric road bikes have a built-in electric motor that assists your pedaling. This means you can cover longer distances with less effort. You have the freedom to choose how much assistance you want from the motor, which lets you control your speed and the level of physical exertion. Next, we have the battery. The batteries on these bikes are often integrated into the frame for a sleek look, and they can be easily charged at home or at a charging station. On a single charge, some electric road bikes can travel up to 60 miles, making them ideal for long-distance commuting. The electric road bike is also designed with a focus on comfort. Many models feature adjustable handlebars and seats, letting you customize your riding position for optimal comfort on long journeys. The tires are also specially designed for road use, providing excellent grip and stability at high speeds. But what truly sets electric road bikes apart is their potential for speed. Depending on the model, some electric road bikes can reach speeds up to 28 miles per hour. This makes them a perfect choice for those looking to cut down their commute time or enjoy a fast-paced ride. And let's not forget about the eco-friendly aspect. By choosing to commute with an electric road bike, you're significantly reducing your carbon footprint. You're not only getting where you need to go faster and more comfortably, but you're also doing your part in preserving our planet. With an electric road bike, you're not just commuting, you're revolutionizing your journey, Or ever thought of a bike that fits in your backpack? Meet the electric folding bike. It's not just a bike, but a marvel of modern engineering and design. This nifty gadget combines the convenience of portability with the efficiency of an electric motor. Imagine a bike that you can fold up, carry around, and then unfold when you're ready to ride. Its compactness is its superpower, fitting snugly in car trunks, under office desks, or even in overhead compartments on a plane. But don't let its size fool you. Electric folding bikes pack quite a punch in terms of speed. They can reach speeds ranging from 15 to 20 miles per hour, making them ideal for zipping through city streets or exploring new terrains. They're a game changer for city dwellers and travelers alike, offering a new level of flexibility and freedom. With an electric folding bike, you're not just cycling, you're embracing flexibility. So, how fast can these electric bikes go? Well, the speed of an electric bike is as varied as the types we've discussed today. Electric mountain bikes, built for rugged terrains and steep inclines, typically reach speeds of up to 20 miles per hour. For those craving more speed, electric road bikes can hit a zippy 28 miles per hour on flat surfaces, making them perfect for city commutes. And let's not forget our compact friend, the electric folding bike. Despite its smaller stature, it can still reach a respectable 15 to 20 miles per hour. These versatile machines are not only about speed, though. They offer a unique blend of convenience, sustainability, and a dash of adrenaline. Whether you're navigating mountain trails, bustling city streets, or just need a portable solution, there's an electric bike out there for you. The world of electric bikes is vast and exhilarating, offering a blend of speed, convenience, and eco-friendliness. Ready to power up your ride?